Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete search history on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your search history on your YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here just above help and feedback. And you'll land over here where you can see the privacy and data option available for us. Tap on the privacy and data option over here, and over here guys you can see the manage search history option available for us. Now in order to delete the search history on YouTube Music app, tap on manage search history, and over here guys on this interface all of your search history on your YouTube Music app which you have searched on the past will be over here. You can see I had searched for some things on the YouTube Music app and watched. And now in order to delete the search history on YouTube Music app, guys, you can see the delete button available for us over here. Tap on the delete button over here and you can see a custom time range, either today or all time over here. And again over here, now in order to delete your search history on your YouTube Music app, either you can choose a custom range or today or all time. And with that being said guys, choose the time period of the search history which you want to delete on YouTube Music app and delete it. I'll be just deleting the today, so just tap on delete, and that has been deleted. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to delete search history on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.